As always, it's a Sunday. We riding today to somewhere south to Houston.
Gulf Coast.
Somewhere Gulf Coast. So it's only three of us: Gavesh, Oscar, and Bruce. We all having the coffee. Yeah. As always at the Bucky's gas station. We just gonna finishing up coffee here and hit the road. Looks like Tony is not coming, so we'll miss you, Tony, today. But yeah, we're gonna get ready and hit the road shortly. Talk to you all later.
When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something I'm wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't.
Yeah, we made it here somewhere near Gulf Coast. Not sure the place. We just left in the morning and decided just go here somewhere to the Gulf Coast. So we are here. It was a pretty bad rain last night too here, so that's why you see a lot of mud and all that. But yeah, People are having a good time here. A lot of people here, not a lot, but it's good thing it's not crowded. So cool. I never took our video while we are eating food.
Oh.
So we're just
Hello,
having a meal
everybody.
here. Lunch.
So
Lunchtime.
I'm having rapini and scrambled eggs.
I'm having something what my wife cooked, which I have no idea about it. But thanks to her.
I am having
Bruce is
a
eating
chicken
sandwich.
sandwich with pesto. I cooked the chicken and Tracy made the sandwich. There's some carrots.
I have no help at all. I
Watermelon.
did it by myself.
And watermelon. I have watermelon.
Got watermelon
Yeah.
too. Nice.
Now,
All right, so we just done with eating our lunch, and the next thing we're gonna do is gonna fly drone here. So we're gonna take some drone footage here around the ocean. It's a beautiful sunny day. Look at that. It's a nice sunny day. It's beautiful. It's awesome. So yeah, we got our drones out. So it's ready. We're ready to fly. So stay tuned for some good drone footage. Okay, so we're done playing with the drone, and we had our lunch. It was an amazing, good, short day trip to what we call this place, Gulf of Mexico.
Gulf of Mexico, Matagorda Bay area.
Yeah, Gulf of Mexico. What was that?
Matagorda Bay area.
Matagorda Bay area.
Matagorda.
Meta. Okay, got it. So yeah, we're done here, and the next stop we're gonna go is just go home and sleep. So that's what we'll do. But if you happen to be first time on my channel, subscribe, like, and give a comment. You have to do it. I'm just kidding. All right, guys. Talk to you all later. See you.